Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to announce the winner of Shopify Theme Development course. So as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to give $1,000 to the 3 people who are going to build the best Shopify theme and submit it for me. I will review them, and the review was based on design and code. So now I will announce the winner of them. So I will go to my laptop and I'm going to review each of them. You will see based on my review who is going to be the winner. So let's start. So before I start, I just want to tell you one thing. It is 1:24 a.m. like it is Saturday night and I'm recording this video. It is too late. Like most of the time I stay late and work like until late because I have a 9 to 5 job and I cannot work on my own projects. Then I come home and I work for 6 hours or 7 hours if I can do at home, or 4 hours. Like most of the time I cannot work at all. So if you are watching this video, please understand I'm working hard for these types of videos and I'm creating content, and you should appreciate the time I put for this stuff. So I'm not going to give you a motivational talk here, but if you want to achieve something in your life, make sure you put hard work first. If you do not work hard, nothing is going to come on your way, period. Now let's review some of the themes I have received. So I was not expecting like this amount of theme I'm receiving. I received only 7 of them, so I'm going to show you 3 of them. So I was expecting like at least 20 people would submit. It's fine, but let's see. 2 of them are going to be the winner, but the third one is not the winner. So this is the third theme and I'm going to show you. I'm not saying this is a bad design, but as I said in the beginning of the video, please design a theme I can purchase it. Let's say I see your theme and say, okay, I can purchase it. That is how I should feel. But for this theme, I cannot say that one. Thanks for trying, and I'm sure you learn a lot while you tried creating this stuff. But if I check, most of the things here is hard-coded. For example, if I come to this product and you haven't even put most of the images properly, like you have to do it. There is like no padding between them. Reviews, if I see these reviews are hard-coded here and these are not good, like those are the thing, and the author name, images, none of them are showing up. Add to cart might work, which is not working, and most of the things are broken, and I really appreciate your work behind this, but it is not something I would really buy, so I can't accept this one. So the second position in this is going to be by SparkDev. You can check it out, and I don't know if the author is going to hide this theme or not. This is the theme they have designed. It is very nice and very clean, and I was surprised how they could do it in the short amount of time. For example, if I check some of their product, they have even quick view that you can quick view that product, and even you can view more details and add to cart from there also. So this is the more details, and as you can see, very clean. It is very simple and clean. Add to cart, and it is going to instantly add it to the cart. So most of the things are not done properly here, but it is fine, but it is very nice. Now if I check the cart, even they have worked on the login page. As you can see, the registration page, everything looks fine. Like this is the theme I would accept. Of course, it is not like a complete theme. It does not have most of the feature I wanted, but it is something I would accept. So this is going to be the second position. And how about the first one? This is the first position. There was a little dilemma between this one and this one of which one should I choose first, and I am going to tell you why I select this one as first. So if I scroll down, everything looks nice here, very nice and clean. Now let's check out some of the collections they have. So this is the collection. It shows the sale price, and if I check the single product, this is how they are going to display everything, description, and I really like the design they have put on this one. Of course, both of them, I like both of them, and they are very nice and unique. This one have a lot more feature than the other one, which is this one. But one thing I like about this one is the clean code they have written. The guy behind this one, if you're watching this video, I noticed you have a lot of like inline styling, like you have written CSS inside your product page. You shouldn't do that, and I said if you want to write any CSS, make sure you write it in the proper place using Sass or any other build tool. Like I have a special place for writing all your CSS or JavaScript. So you should put them up there instead of in product page or anywhere you want. That is because of the code you became second. Otherwise your theme is very nice and clean and I really like it. So this one is the first position, and I congratulate both of you. By the time you watch this video, they should have received their money. And if you are watching this video, make sure you can comment below this video so other people should also see that who's the winner. So that's it for this video. I hope this course has been informative, and I hope this course just give you a little bit of an inspiration for your next project, for your next idea that you are going to implement. My intention was not to give you a few $100 and then boom, that's finished or that's gone. My intention was to inspire you a little bit to build your next project. I am not Mr. Beast or any other YouTuber who make millions of dollars and they can give you as much as they want. I don't earn enough money from YouTube. But the thing is, this amount of money was just a reward to those people who are trying something, who are going to take action. And everything in life is the same. If you want to do something and if you dream about it and do not take action, you are the same as the people who are not doing anything. I have seen a lot of developers who are talking about a great idea, a great project, but they never do it. They just talk about this one. The reason I told people that I'm going to give you a reward is because I want to see the result of them. And I know it was a little bit challenging for you, for those who won something, for those who didn't win something. It was something challenging. It should not be disappointing for the people who didn't win something. You should learn a lesson from this one, and you should never give up and try building something new. Now, some people asked in the previous video how much money you make from YouTube, and now you're giving like $1,000 away, and it is not that much money that I make from YouTube. So if you're interested, I'll make another video about how much money I make from YouTube, and there are some different sources of income I have. It is not just YouTube that I'm going to earn money, and there are some ways that no one talk about, and those ways are also possible that you can earn money from YouTube. I haven't seen people talk about this one, and even you can do this one. Even if you can create video, there are some ways you can earn money from YouTube. It is very unlikely that people talk about this one, but there are some ways that you can do this one. You can create videos, and I'm going to show you how you are going to do that one. So if you are interested, thumbs up for this video, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to create more courses and I will give away more rewards to the people who are going to complete the course and do something. As I said in the beginning of the video, a few $100 is nothing, but if you are learning something, that's important for me. I don't care much about the money, I care more about how you learn something. That's what my intention is, and I just want to inspire more people to learn something and to create something for the world, and that is how we can make the world a better place. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.